Hey guys, how you guys doing? I hope all is well. With enough said, let's move on with the video. In this video, I will give you guys valuable information that can help further your grammar. In this video, I'll show you guys 10 English words that are used every day. So let's start with the first word, and. What type of word is and? And is a conjunction. A conjunction is used to express relationships between things in a sentence. So you guys can better understand this. Let's go straight to the examples. He is nice and good. Go and think about what you did. I was there and not there. As you can see in these three examples, I showed you guys how and was used and how it expressed relationships between things in the sentence. So since we have that now, let's move on. Duh. What type of word is duh? Duh is an article. And what is an article? An article determines whether a noun is definite or indefinite. So what does that mean, definite or indefinite? Let's look at the examples to see what it means. Okay, the gold is here. The donuts taste good. The internet is slow. As you can see, duh is definite because all these things are definite and not indefinite. Okay? They're general things, not things that are not general. You see what I'm saying, guys? So now that we have that, let's move on to the third word. Hello. What type of word is hello? Hello is an interjection. An interjection is a word phrase used to convey emotion. So how is hello used? In a sentence, what use does it have? Hello is usually just a greeting of telling somebody, hello, hi. It's just a little greeting. That's what it really is. So let's go into the example so you can better understand what a greeting is. Hello, how are you? Hello, do you know where the school is? Hello and goodbye. As you can see how hello was used, it was used to convey an emotion. So let's move on to the next one. Bye. What type of word is bye? Bye is also an interjection. And people usually use the word bye to signify that you are leaving and you're telling this person that you will see another time and the meeting time has ended. So let's go straight to the examples. I said bye. I will see you later. Bye. He told me to tell you bye. As you can see how bye was used, it was used as the meeting was being over or the meeting has ended. It concluded. That means that you both parted your own ways. Let's go to the next word. Like. What type of word is like? Like is an adjective, and we all know adjectives are words that modify nouns. We all know this. How is like used in a sentence? Like is usually like, it could be love. It could be like, I love this, or you could use it as a comparison in a sentence, as some type of comparison. Let's go to the examples. I like my school. I like my friend. I like that car. As you can see in these sentences, I'm telling you how I feel about these things, but I did not use any sentences that showed comparison. But as long as you know what it means and you know how to use like in a sentence, I think that's enough. So let's move on to the next word. I. What type of word is I? I is a pronoun. And a pronoun is a word that can replace a name. A pronoun is a word that can replace a name. So let's look at the examples to show you what I mean. I am skinny. I see you. I want that. By saying I did not need to use my name so people could see who was talking. But the fact that I said I, they know it's me because I replaced my name with I. Does that make sense? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Be. What type of word is be? Be is a verb, and verb portrays action in a sentence. So You will use this word be to show some type of action in the sentence. Let's look at the examples. You need to be smart. I want to be cool. He can be nice. Do you guys see how the verb was used? Do you guys see it? Okay, great. Let's move on to the next one. Want. What type of word is want? Want is a verb, and we know what a verb is. So let's go straight to the examples. I want a house. I want a car. Do you want a house? As you can see, want portrays something you need or something you want to obtain, and that happens to be a verb. So let's move on to the next one. Do. What type of word is do? Do is a verb. So let's move on to the examples. I do my job every day. I can do this. Do not make fun of me. As you can see, how do is used in the sentences, it was used as a verb. So let's move on to our last word, that. What type of word is that? It can be a pronoun or an adverb. And we know that adverbs can modify adjectives and adverbs. So let's move on to the examples. That is a nice house. You have that car. You need that. As you can see, when I said that is a nice house, I used it as a pronoun here. And when I said you have that car, I used it as, you know what I'm saying, another pronoun, because I could have said the car's name, but I said that car and you need that. As you can see, I used it as an adverb. So guys, that's it. And I'm glad you guys stayed through the end and watched the whole video. I'm really happy about that. So if you had watched the whole video, so please subscribe to the channel and click that like button. I would really appreciate it. And also make sure you guys click on the next video you see so you guys can learn more English. All right, guys, stay eagerly to learn.